Hey, what's up? Today, the float built-in function in Python 3. So let's start with a look at the docs. Float takes one argument, and that's going to be either a number or a string. You've probably used float before, but I bet you didn't know about some of these little things like using plus and minus signs, infinity, not a number. So we'll take a look at that. So what is float used for? We know that we can pass integers or strings, and the general idea is this is how we work with decimal based numbers, if you want to call it that, because if you try to do it with int, that's just not going to work. So you really need a float, and we can also show you that that has its own type as well. So if you're working with numbers with decimals, this is what you need to use. Moving past the basics, here's a couple things you may or may not know. One is that you can use positive and negative signs. So here's plus and minus, and you can cast numbers like that. Works for integers as well. We can use plus and minus. Another thing you might have seen in the docs was using infinity. So you can pass it as inf or infinity or infinity with a capital Y. It's actually case insensitive, and you can pass the plus and minus to this as well to get negative infinity, whatever that is. The last cool thing is the not a number. So we can pass this in a case insensitive way as well. The last thing I want to show you guys is how I work with float in a real life situation. So let's say we had a string that we can cast as a number. We can run it. We can see that it starts off as a string, then we cast it as a float, and that's the outcome. But where you'll run into trouble, this one what I want to help you guys out with, is that if it comes through as something that can't be passed as a float, then you're going to get a hard error, and this is really not ideal. So what I would suggest is using a try except block. So I would put my float inside the try, and then I would have an except, and at very least just do except pass. And then so now when we try to run hey, it's not going to break, it's just going to pass and keep as is, keep it as a string. But if we did our 5.05, we can run that, and that'll cast from string to float. So just keep in mind that float will lead to a hard error, it'll lead to a value error, so be prepared. Other than that, thanks for watching.